Yo, what is going on, people, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make custom clothing in Dayz. Now this is like somewhat of an update or a recap, because some people say that my old video's broken and things have changed. So I'm going to go through a bit deeper and better how you can do everything in a way. So what you want to do first is you want to open up Dayz Tools, and then you want to go to Tools and extract game data. So once you've done that, it will take a while, maybe like 5-10 minutes. You'll go to your folder and you'll have a new drive called the P drive. So then you want to go into your Dayz folder. Now this is everything in Dayz, but it's extracted into folders instead of PBOs. So you want to go to characters, and here, as you can see, is where you've got your pants, your masks, your glasses, anything you really want to do or edit is here. What I want you to do is I want you to create a new folder. Say just do it in here. So I'm going to call this folder ML_C. That means Matthew Longtime _clothing. It doesn't matter what your folder is, it can. Then I want you to go inside the folder, and once you've done that, I want you to create a new text file, but it's going to be called config in lowercase config.cpp, and that's the version that you're going to use. Now I'm going to leave this code in the description, what I've got here. So config patches, all that lot. So as you can see, this here is saying basically that these folders inside of Dayz. So what you want to do here is you want to put this as anything you want, but this is your main class, so I'm just going to call it the same as my folder. So the cargo pants, this part here is actually basically telling you what it's going to be looking for. As you can see, the plate carrier vest here is different to this. This is your own config, so this is what you would type into, let's say, Dayz offline mode to spawn in these items. Your display name is what you're going to actually call it. So let's say it's a money shirt, you put money shirt here, and the description is just the same as the name. So as you can see here, these are 3 lines, and this basically shows your mod where it's going to. So I'm going to be doing cargo pants here, so my folder is called ML_C. Now all of them must be the same. As you can see, that was in lowercase, so it must be the same. So what you need to do is copy, and now you've got that the same there. And this is the vest. If you want to retexture the vest, you need to have this. Like I say, I'll be linking this for you. I'll be uploading it so you can download it. So what you want to do to get your texture is you want to go to basically where you're going to find the cargo pants. So from what I see, it'll probably be in pants. You go to data because it's the data folder, and cargo pants here. Let's open it up. It's not that. You want _C _core. Here you go. These are your cargo pants. These are the original version, and as you can see, you've got all the different ones here. Now you don't need the rvmats or anything like that inside your actual folder. You just need the texture. So you can also make new folders in here, like 1 or something like that, and then in this you would have to obviously extend it. But for this tutorial, we're just going to paste it in here. And to get this open like this, you want to go to text, view, file, open, and then you want to open your image, which is in your P drive, but I've got it so I can just double click it. Then you want to go file, save as, and you want to save it as a PNG or any image you would like to edit, but normally I save it as a PNG. So this is editable, and now I want you to go into Photoshop or GIMP or whatever editing tool you use, and we'll see you there. So once you've opened that image, and you want to keep the sort of style of this going up, but for this case of the tutorial, I'm just going to colour it all in, and just going to colour it all in like that, just because I want to show you in game that the colour change works. Obviously you need to spend a bit more time on what you're doing, and then what you want to do is you want to replace that. Okay, once you've done that, you want to then double click your you want to open this, you want to save this, but this time you want to save it as a new name. So I'm going to call this ML_CO and I'm going to save it as a PAA. The reason why people use PAA is because it's mainly the armor/Dayz file format, and it's a smaller file format than the actual images like this. So we're going to close that. We're going to go into the config, and then here, because we are doing pants, is we want to go to cargo pants, and we want to name it ML_CO, and we want to do that for all of them. And these commas are just so the script carries on, and then obviously at the end you don't have it anymore. And if you want to change any of these to anything else, you need to get like the main class name for the actual item that you're changing. So tops, say if you're editing here, you can do that. Now the description of this, I'm just going to call it pants 1, and the display name pants. Now I'm going to save that. Now you need to do this, or you either need to remove the code. So I'm just going to remove the code, because if I don't remove the code, then it's going to want that, and we can't be having that. Then what you want to do is you want to go to your Dayz folder and create a new folder. You want to put let's say mods, go inside there, and because I think I've already got a folder called @mods, I'm going to call it @mods1. I'm going to make a folder add-ons, and then that is done. Then what you want to do is you want to go and open up add-on builder. Now you need to have these settings, which I'll also put in the description. So your image, actually you can see your image in game, so the list of copy directly. I'm going to put this in the description for you, and I would recommend clicking to clear temp folder, binarize, enable extended login, because if you do get any extended login, then you know how to fix it. So what you do here is you click on this, you want to go to your P drive, and then you want to click on that, okay, and then you want to click on your destination folder, which will be your new folder that you've just created, mods1, if you've called it that, or whatever you have called it, common Dayz mods1, okay, and then you want to click pack, and then it'll do this, it'll go through it all, and because I haven't got a lot there, it's just going to do it quick, and it's going to come up with an error. So what you can also use is Makero's tools. I'll also link them in the description below. A lot of people do use them, and sometimes they're better, sometimes they're not. It depends what you like, and a lot of the times I do use them if I'm doing armor work, but mostly I use the Dayz tools if I'm actually doing Dayz stuff. But then what you want to do is you want to go to Steam, you want to go to games, and you want to right click Dayz, run launcher, and then you want to enable the mod. Now I will link a video. You'll get a card right now, which it'll tell you how to set it up, admin tools on a map. It could be your own custom map, or it could actually be just Chinara's, but obviously I'm going to put it on whatever maps mine's on now, which is Lakeside. So I'm going to put it on Lakeside, and we're going to test the mod. So once you're in Dayz offline mode, you want to run to the side, basically just take all your clothes off, because who needs clothes, you know, freedom, you know what I'm saying? Absolute freedom. Drop them to the floor, and then you press Y, you go to OB, items and objects, and then you want to type in your class name at the top. So mine should be ML, which it doesn't come up, so I'm going to look in the actual config itself to see what it is. So ML_C config, and if we look here, I haven't changed this because, you know, idiot time, but if we put that in, it should come up here, and as you can see, then the grey, the colour that I picked, and I shouldn't have picked grey because white means it doesn't work, so I should have picked like red so you could see a bit more, I suppose, but it is what it is. And here we go, these are my grey pants, and I can tell by the colour that they're not pure white, they're like grey, so I know for a fact that these have worked. So you can't say, Matthew, they haven't worked. As you can see though, they're the cargo pants, the outline's still there. Now if you do want to do what I've done and you just want to colour it all in, it's alright, because the outline actually still does show. It's not like it doesn't show, it's just sometimes people obviously want to see what's there. Well, this is what I've got. I've got a Mr. Man here, and yeah. So if you've got any questions, leave them down below. If you think I've missed anything out, leave it in down below so everyone can see. Join my Discord, leave a subscription, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. I've also got another tutorial coming out in 2 days, which I need to record. I think you guys will like it. It'll give you a bit more help with Dayz offline mode. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.